Welcome back to XavzLife, and in today's episode we start the morning off in Vauxhall, central London at Ducati London for a special day, joined by some very special guests for a bike collection.
Whoa, whoa. Here I come.
Gents. What's going on, boys? You good? Yes, bro. It's the day. Dave, how you doing, bro? You good? Yeah, all good, man. All good. What, we're hooking him up, yeah? SP2? SP2? Oh, man. You've not been here long? Yeah? Yeah?
A few moments later.
I find if you put it in the street setting, it makes the throttle almost a bit wishy-washy and not very nice at all.
Yeah.
Sport is sport. And then when you're cracking on nice roads in the summer...
Obviously, you're next, yeah? You're next.
Well, okay, boys, yeah?
Side stand down, that is your engine temperature. Fans kick in, I think about 100 degrees on this, so it gets quite hot if you're in traffic.
Yeah.
But once you get riding, then you'll get an actual temperature reading on there. And if it obviously starts to get over like 105, 106, just double check the fans are engaged.
Show you guys what we got in here.
I'll reset them all for you now. There's two trips. Total mileage there. Fuel, usual thing, key in there, that's it, it's open.
Well, you're on camera now.
Do this. Hey, I'm ready to ride this baby, bro.
First Ducati.
First Ducati. I'm so happy with it.
Yeah?
I am so happy.
Dave sorted you out good, yeah?
I'm about to find out.
Yeah. How many hours sleep did you get? How many hours of sleep did you get?
Not much. 5 a.m. in the morning. Excited like a kid waiting for Christmas is. Yeah, you know what it is.
So it's a good present to yourself, right?
Definitely.
Wow, welcome to the club, man.
Yes, definitely is.
We're live on YouTube, boys. If anyone doesn't want to be in this video, do you want to sign the revenue waiver? Do you want to sign that, yeah? Sir, but here we go. Do you want to sign the waiver? Yeah? Would you like to sign the waiver, sir? Are you going to be in the video? There we go. Lovely. You signed it? Lovely. Gentlemen, ladies and gents. Another great vid. Fantastic day. My boy just bought the Baylis. He got his Ducati. First Ducati. How does it feel, Dim? Great feeling.
So excited about it.
Jeez.
Sounds.
Yeah, it's very, you guys, it is insanely loud. Dave hooked him up nicely. Dim's got the Acra exhaust. It is insane. It is absolutely insane.
I am loving it. I'm just gonna enjoy the ride.
Hello. There we go, we're back live. Dim was saying he's excited.
Excited about the bike.
It's loud as well, right?
It is freaking loud. So yeah, just excited to see what it's gonna sound like. You guys are gonna be able to see.
We're gonna see it, we're gonna hear it, and then when you watch the video, you're gonna see how it sounds from our perspective.
Yeah.
And hopefully I can catch some flames.
Oh.
Hopefully I can catch flames. But yeah, huge thanks to Ducati London. Dave, you're the man, the main plug. Obviously we come here for all our needs for Italian bikes. So more to come though. Yeah, join the family, welcome to the fam. Anyway, let's go. We're gonna get some fuel and then we're gonna get some food and go for rides. That, not much talking, just riding and having fun at the good old vlog. So that's the plan. And we can't forget the S1K, this gorgeous S1000. Lewis has put the working on it. Rizoma stealth mirrors, you know, some nice tank grips, all the good stuff. SC Project, gorgeous bike. Right boys, let's roll. There we go. Yeah, you guys, for all your needs, Ducati, obviously we come to Ducati London. Tell them Zav sent you, they know exactly who it is. Bloody hell, man. Are you serious? That is so loud. But we love it. We're not complaining. We love it. Right. Damn, that bike is so sexy. Huge congrats to him, man. As usual, they always have a bad influence because I seem to facilitate a lot of these deals. Obviously by now you guys probably would have seen that's how Lewis got the S1K and this is how Dimitri got the Ducati. So come on, you can't be enjoying this yourself. You got to make sure your boys are winning too, man. You have to be grateful and happy when your guys are doing well. Support them, push them. I love seeing my team do well. Jeez. Yeah, man, this makes me happy. Jeez. 1 duck, 2 ducks, S1K. Gorgeous, gorgeous machines. Anyway, let's enjoy this ride. Let's enjoy this ride. Yeah, that sounds mental. Damn, the noise that makes. No way. Bloody hell, that Harley was scraping on that bend. Jeez, he was leaning. That sounds so good. The bass, you guys, the bass from that bike, you'll be surprised how much of a difference an exhaust makes when you fit one to the bike. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I can't hear mine. But I'm not mad. I'm not mad. I'm loving it. Bro, it's noisy. I don't know if it was that, but I saw a bit of a spark. I got it on camera.
I heard it.
Yeah, it was that.
It's like a pop.
Yeah.
Yeah, I heard it.
I saw sparks.
Oh, you saw it?
Yeah, I got it show me on camera. Man. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to play it back to you guys. But all I saw was sparks, and I thought it was him. Unless someone threw a cigarette out the window. Oh, that was a nut check. That's not good. Damn. Yep, pop. Oh man, he's gonna love that. Pop. That way. Jeez. The ducks. There are people in the building there. Bloody hell, man. I can't wait to hear that thing at higher revs. Jeez. That popping is borderline offensive. Don't do it, boss. Yeah, that popping is absolutely offensive. What's this? 132. Ew, it's not even V power and it's not. Oh, mate, if this isn't 99, you're not going in this bike. Oh, I'll put a little bit in. I'm not really a fan of. I only use Momentum 99 from Tesco or V power, so if it's usually not one of those two, I don't actually use it. I don't put it in the bike. But hey, I guess because I'm low on fuel, kind of have to. Compromises must be made. Damn. Sorry, bike. They say it's 99, I hope it is. I'm gonna put a bit in here. I'm not doing the full tank because I still prefer Tesco V-Power. I'm gonna put £10. Yeah, no drifting. No, we don't do that. Right. Right, so before I was the only Red Ranger, now Dim's Red Ranger. For now. Because you guys have to wait and see. Red bike. What Ranger are you, Lewis? Black Ranger, White Ranger? M Ranger? Black Ranger. Black Ranger. I'm Red Ranger standard. Let's go. Oi, oi. It sounds like thunder. Oh. I have to do it before he starts that.
You think I'm worried about this fool, man? This is nothing.
Alright, now I'm humbled. Now I'm right. Let's embark on this journey. I hope the audio is a lot better for you guys because like I said, the new mic, it should be working a treat. In theory. Team Ducati. You should have seen before when we was up there on that road and making noise. The people, all the workers were coming to the window to watch us. Amazing.
You're gonna be able to make some more content.
Yeah, bro, we'll do loads of content. Hell yeah. Bro, we gotta do stuff as well. You gotta try this. Now you've ridden this, you definitely try this after and see how they compare. Hell yeah, man. It sounds good though. Sounds so good.
Unbelievable how the exhaust changes the bike.
I literally just said that on camera. It's mad the changes in exhaust makes her bike. Insane. Night and day. Mate, are you serious? All that popping, it's a bit antisocial, isn't it? Jeez. Young people nowadays with their loud exhaust systems. Oh jeez. Oh man, that sounds so good. It sounds so deep.
It does. Bro, the front brake.
Sharp, innit?
No.
A little touch, you feel like it will throw you off.
It hasn't been broken down yet. So
Nope. Feels good, right? Huh? Feels good, doesn't it? All I can hear is that.
Huh?
I can't hear anything but that.
Yeah.
My goodness.
Freaking loud. Yeah, c'est ton first time.
First time, but yeah.
Bringing them.
C'est nouveau en fait.
Ouais, je viens de la récupérer du concessionnaire là.